Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper of Friday, May the 24th, 2024, and we have here 7 extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve for you. Why not though? Well, too much for me, time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 puzzles this afternoon. The first one, number 8592. Well, 8592. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 29. Yeah. Usually the 3 stars has 26 printed digits. This one has 3 digits more. Should be at 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 13 minutes. It's indicated with 3 stars. 3 stars puzzles, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Is this really a 3 stars or 0 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 2 missing numbers. Let's get started. Yes. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. Alright. Now, let me see. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the first row. The only place level 5 should be there. Need a 4 here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place level 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5. 5, 5. Well, in this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 5. Here can be 5, we have 5 in the second column, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have 5 in the third column, no 5 there. And here can be 5, we have 5 in this column, no 5 there. The only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We see another 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, on the last column, the only place left for 4, a should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4. And I need a E 4 here. 4, 4, 4. Okay. How about the number? Let me see. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here on there. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 here. Need 2 there. 3. Come on. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so the last column. The only two places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. We have a pair. 4 and 8 in this row, 4 and 8 in the first row. So the row between the second row. The only two places left for the 4 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 4, 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between this column, the only two places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4. I should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4. Yeah. Then, let me see. 2, 2. 2, 2. Need a 1 there. Need 8 there. We have 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 8. Alright. Need a 5 there. Well. Need 6. Let's need 7 here. Come on. What's happening? 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1, 6, 9. That means 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. I hate to split those numbers outside a big square. Why? Well, otherwise you will make the chance to make a mistake is slice higher. Yeah, slice higher. Then let me see. Need a 4 here, need a 4 there. 5 there. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 3. 7. Yeah. We have a pair, the 4 and the 7 in this row. The 4 and the 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left, the 4 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and 5, 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. That means we have a 3 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box can be a 3 and more. This box should be a 7. And that box should be a 3 then. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above from that row. The only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Need 1 here. 1, 2, and then 9. I need a 6 here. We have a pair, the 3 and the 6 in this column, last column. The 3 and the 6 in the column next, so that column. Only 2 places left, the 3 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1, 2, 9. Well, we have a 1 and a 2 here, so this box should be a 9. So the 1 and the 2 are left. Here also 1 and a 2. We have a 3 and a 6. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So one digit left in this row for number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. Yeah. Need a 1 here. Need a 9 there. And I need a... Well. We need a 4 here also. Okay. 1, 9, and need a 3 here. 2, 2, need a 2 there. Okay, need a 1 here, okay. How about 1, 6, 9, 2, 2, need a 2 here, need a 2 there, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 2 in the first column, so the column between. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright. So 3 missing numbers. 1, 9, 6. Cannot fill this yet. Very strange. 5. Need a 5 there also. Come on. Need a 1 here. Need a 3 there. We have a pair. The 1 and the 3 in this column. The 1 and the 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So what number is this? What number is this in this big square? The missing number here, I believe the 9. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 9, 9, need a 9 there. Okay. One, 3, 6. Need a 1 here. Yeah. 4, 7, 4. 7 in this row, overlooked 7 in that row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 7 should be there. 4 and 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places level 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. How about the 7? 7 in this. Oh, wait. 7, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. Alright. Then 2 and 4. Wow. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. For number, I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 to 2, 3 to 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above from that row. The only 2 places left, the 5 should be here. On there, we have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 box left in this row, I believe 9. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. cannot fill this yet. How about here? 1 is missing. We have a 9 here, so the 1 and the 6. How about these two missing numbers in this column? 1 is missing. We have a 6 here, so should we 1 and the 9? 1 and a 3. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 3 and a 6. We have 3 in the middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 6 goes in there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 and then nope, we have a 1 here. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. We have a 9 here. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And then and a 1 goes there. 1, 1, 1. Yes. Finished. 50 minutes. Well, not faster than 50 minutes. Let me give this a 1 star. Maybe 2 stars. Yeah, let me give this 2 stars. Not a 3 stars. Having troubles. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.